Now, the government also announced the new rules for Unlock 3.0. Night curfew has been scrapped altogether, and gyms and yoga institutes that are not in containment zones have been allowed to reopen. This is for the third phase of lifting of the coronavirus-related restrictions across the country. Well, let's go across to Neeta for more on this story. Neeta, so tell us, a lot still remains closed. Multiplexes that were hoping that they would be allowed to open have not been allowed to open just yet.
Absolutely, Gargi, and the thinking behind the government is that air conditioning can be a problem, because as far as both the metro rail and cinema halls are concerned, they are saying because the government has also set up a standard as far as air conditioning in public places is also concerned. So they have not opened yet the cinema halls and also metro rail services. Another thinking is because this month, Gargi, there are going to be many festivals which are going to fall, and during the festival time, it is people do tend to travel a lot. People do tend to go out to have a meal or two, or for a movie or two. Maybe social distancing could not have been avoided that time. So that is the thinking behind. That is why the cinema halls and metro rails have not yet been open. School, colleges, and institutions again have not been open till 31st of August. Again, the thinking is that the health ministry says that if even one case surfaces in either a school or a college, and it can blow up into a cluster. So that is why schools and colleges have not been open. International flights are again not yet operational, apart from the fact those air balloon flights where the government has allowed, and apart from Vande Mataram flights which the Ministry of Home Affairs has allowed. Another thing which is very important, Gargi, is that social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural and religious institutions and large congregations are still prohibited. So in such a backdrop, the kind of celebrations, the kind of arrangements we are seeing in Ayodhya, how they will go through, that is a big question. However, the government has yet not clarified, because still, according to these guidelines, religious gatherings and huge congregations are not allowed. However, sources are telling us, as far as Ayodhya celebrations are concerned, those fall under construction category, and if devotees are coming there just for a quick darshan, that would be allowed according to the district administration there. But a clarification from the government side is still yet to come. Gargi?
All right, Neeta, thanks so much for taking us through what Unlock 3.0 looks like. So, respite for gym owners. So, and what was the lockdown period like for them, and how do they now plan to open up? My colleague Arun chats with some gym owners.
Unlock 3.0 has brought a big relief for gym owners. If I talk about Delhi, it was 15th of March when there was a public announcement made to shut all the gyms. And that's why I think we see a lot of people cycling on roads, because people lost all means to go to these gyms to work out. And that definitely affected the business. And I have with me Delhi Gym Association's Vice President, Chirag Sethi. Chirag, a lot of people, a lot of gyms, they went online also for the training purposes. But then these equipments, they require maintenance and some charges. Yeah. How were you managing?
So practically there was no income from the last 3 months. We were practically penniless, but there was rent piling up, there was electricity fixed charges, there was staff salaries that was piling up. So as the Vice President of the Delhi Gym Association, we have our SOPs ready. So as the SOPs, we definitely have somebody on the ground floor with the thermal scanner. We have a slot-based entry. So you go onto our app, or you call up and we can ask how many people are there, and then we can allow you to come in. Everything will be sanitized. There will be sanitizers on every corner. You can just pick it up, you can clean.
Okay, I have Zoeb who has his gym in Ashok Vihar. Now, gym is something where you have these equipments. It's all contact based. How are you going to ensure that people are safe?
Yeah. So first of all, we have to ensure the customer what kind of facilities we are providing nowadays. We have to maintain the social distancing, as Sir said. We will be providing the proper sanitization and social distancing also.